everyone! Welcome back to a very special episode of Cozy English Club, the coziest way to learn English with your favorite drink in hand.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Lena. Today we're doing a review special. We're going to look back at everything we've learned in the last 5 episodes.
That means to be, AIN, and pronouns. This, that, these, those, and rooms. School supplies, clothes, colors. There is are opposites. WH questions, professions. Do, nationalities, family. And how to ask questions to get to know someone.
That's a lot. But don't worry, we'll go step by step and keep it simple.
Let's start with the basics. The verb to be and how to use a or an.
To be in simple sentences. I am a teacher. She is a student. They are my friends.
And don't forget AIN, use A for words that start with a consonant sound. A book, a teacher. Use AN for vowel sounds. An apple, an engineer.
Now try. This is a pencil. I am an artist.
Nice.
Next up, this, that, these, those. This, one thing near you. That, one thing far away. These, many things near. Those, many things far.
Examples. This is a chair. That is a window. These are books. Those are paintings.
Now add room vocabulary like table, lamp, sofa, pillow, curtain, mirror.
Those are curtains. This is a small sofa.
Let's review school and clothes vocabulary using there is, there are.
School items, notebook. Pen. Eraser. Backpack. Ruler. Clothes and colors. Shirt. Pants. Dress. Hat. Red. Blue. Black. Yellow.
Examples. There is a red pencil on the desk. There are blue markers in the bag.
Yes or no questions. Is there a book? Yes, there is. Are there shoes? No, there aren't.
Let's go over opposites to describe things and people. Big, small, tall, short. Fast, slow. Happy, sad.
Use them like this. My cat is small, but my dog is big. The movie was boring, but the book was interesting.
Now WH questions, what do you do? Where do you work? Who is your teacher? Why do you study English? How do you go to school?
We also use the verb do to ask and answer. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Does she teach math? Yes, she does.
And jobs vocabulary, teacher, doctor, chef, student, nurse, engineer.
Now let's review nationalities and family vocabulary.
Ask, where are you from? I'm from Japan. I'm Japanese. What's your nationality? I'm Brazilian.
Family vocabulary. Mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Aunt. Uncle. Cousin. Grandma. Grandpa.
Describing family. I have 2 brothers. My mom is a teacher.
Ask about family. Do you have siblings? Where does your family live? Who do you live with?
Let's put it all together in a quick conversation.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Lena, and you?
I'm Chris. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. I'm Italian. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She is short and funny.
Is that your backpack?
No, that is my cousin's. These are my books.
Nice. Are there pens in your bag?
Yes, there are. And there is a blue notebook too.
Let's recap. To be. I am, you are. She is. This, that, these, those to point to things. There are to describe what's around. Opposites to describe people and objects. WH questions plus do, does to ask and answer. Jobs, nationalities, and family vocabulary.
Whew, that's a lot, but it's all connected. And now, you can describe people, ask questions, talk about your family, your job, and more.
Thanks for joining us on this review episode of Cozy English Club.
We're proud of how much you've learned. Keep practicing. Even 5 minutes a day helps.
Next time, we'll dive into parts of the bodies and where things are. That's going to be fun.
See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe,
Keep sipping.
and keep speaking.